ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Member of Parliament jongga Rajya Sabha Professor Rakesh Sinha sa shisen pan ulawan banyok kejat biang hakasnong kongthong kasnong kebadan hagitan khat arsnong kabahap apok kasora constituency kani kejingwan yok kejat jong Professor Sinha ha kongthong kaderu hadien baka kongthong kalayo bandrung hakathup jong ka United Nations World Tourism Organization kabakin sajet na kata kathup kino kisnong kib ontem kom ka best tourism village Professor Sinha lapan kan mau baswa baka kongthong kan yo bandrung hakini kathup ula kren chapang ka kongthong la khandai sien hayeng dor barba kari ne ka parliament ka pasdang na du usnam ar hajar khat khandai hadu menta ki nongshong snong joka kongthong kila padiang sobha yo Professor Sinha haringkat ka sing gadha katang muri kom kada ka jingsongo yaki kam bola no senyang syakni ka snong kini kejingwan yuk kejat jong ya ka kongthong Professor Sinha la ple patba ya ka jaka lech sabar patba ha kini kesnong kabala no jingirap kamenchwa bat mentapat ula thung sayo maunong rem na ka benta bante ya ka khrdop rung hapo ka snong kongthong ne ka baki khot ka khilon jong ka snong kongthong ha kini kesngi lai don lang MLA ka sorau ba given milliam MDC ka sorau ba Titos W Khan bat kiwei pat kiri rong ba haba keren ni jingelang Professor Sinha la ong ba udoni khathong bandra e ka nam jo ka kongthong kham sejrong bat hun satya ba kan chukot no tang ha ka jingsa jiet kum ka best tourism village hanre kwa ba haba ki nong chungo kai perthai ken wan sha kongthong ken da sngo hun shisha ban ye e ka jing itanat jongka kham tam me kom em bat kar jinglong kerpang jongki bre jong ni ka snong ula ongru baka jinge dei jong u bat ka kongthong kan omkut satya tang ha ka jinglong nong mikmat pai ba jong u hanre ka jinge dei kan dang yai beteng tat hadu ka sngi ka jingyap ka jong u new MP ula pan banaru ba untei ka skol ha kongthong bat ya kata ka skol nadu ka yeng skol kan dei ka babha na ke babha tam ha ka jilla Meghalaya borok koi compare ula ong ba la ka sarkar kan bay pisa ne kambay henry naladi hiru un pen urlong ya kata kajing ang nuat jong u bat ula ong biang ba udai ubreu ba sisien ba ula kular un sedang sendan da kam namar ba kwa ba nakasnong kongthong deban mi ki IPS officer ki deban mi ki MLA bat ki deban mi ru ki MP nalor kata Professor Sinha la ong ba ka jinga kren menta kadang yat bakan don ka jaka sumar ka babiang ha kongthong ka ban kedop lang ya ki babun teligisnong ba marjan ula ong ba ka jinga kren kadang yat ru na ka benta ban bu ya ka museum bat ka laboratory ha kongthong ka ban bu sa kan mau ya ki jinglong tanrai jong ka kongthong ya ka ba anwat bnya lingba ki jing start sayan bat ukwa ban bu ya kini namar om tang ka kongthong ka snong ka barawai yau bei ne ka pasu siau henry ki don sa arpulai tli ki snong hakhat ar snong ki bale kumta shu la ong un yai kren ru ya ka sarkar jilla bat ka sarkar India ba ka ban bu ya ka wei ka karkhana penmi marbam ne ka food processing industry hapo kongthong hak ba ki breu jong ne ka than kin la ban kamai ling ba ki kam penmi jingbam shen hapo shi posngi ula ong ba anwan ra ya ka wei ka machine ni ka kor ka ban penmi ya ki jingle khoj jong ki kenthai ni ki sanitary pads namar ba ka kot ka khya ka dei ka ba khmat tam e ya ki aka baro kumba ka long menta ka jing e ka ba khmat e jong ki nong song snong jong ka than khat ar snong ka dei namar ba ka jing bom don ka surong bat ki don kumba lai photli ki snong ki bom pat yo surok halor kini Professor Sinha la ong ban halor ka kongthong ula jet sa lightly gisnong ki ba un shemel de kum utrai snong bat kita ki lightly gisnong ki kenthop ya ka maumang ka mau so amat bat ka sder bat ya kini baro lightly gisnong un peniso da ka surong na kongthong ter ula pen pa ukwa ba ka surok kongthong kan de ka surok ka ba bhatam ha Meghalaya borok koi bat mentahi ka sngi hadien balawai ka jingalang ula lum ya kirang ba snong jog snong ba marjan bani keren na ka benta ka surok Hagani jingalang ki weipat ki bala ajing keren ki kentop yo MLA ka sora u MDC u sekretari jong ka Indigenous Agro Tourism Cooperative Society Limited u ba Rothel Khongset.
Before coming to the issues raised in this meeting, I have few words in Khasi. Due to lockdown, nobody was in Delhi, so I couldn't learn Khasi. But now I will find people, and next time after a month when I would come here, I would speak in Khasi. Whatever have been done, whatever would be done, can be summarized in 4 lines. Kong tha ka, dei ka sunon, John Gonga. Kong thong ka long, kaba, paunam barho, kivai ka, parthi. Ki bearing, Keling Swadong ka Parthei Baj Kiva Naka Ri John Nongi Kakwa Wan Sa Ne Kong Thong Kan Sedei Kasnong Kaban Parva. People all over the world looking at you. They want to come Kong Thong. So Kong Thong is emerging as cultural capital of Meghalaya. Political capital is Shillong and cultural capital is Kong Thong. You will not be surprised. In future, great film stars and actresses would come Kong Thong for shooting of films. So our ambition is sky is the limit. Kong Thong should emerge in the country as an ideal village, not only in terms of good buildings. People of Kong Thong are part of nature. As the nature is natural, so here people are also natural. So I have 3 more things to say about Kong Thong. Good schools, good roads, high income, this is one part. There should not be any litigation between the people. All litigations in Kong Thong should end. And till this date, I I took the name of Kong Thong in various sense, in various contexts, 9 times in the Rajya Sabha. No village of India was mentioned in House, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, since 2000, since the last 20 years or 30 years, 9 times. This is the only village which has appeared 9 times, either in the form of questions or debates or speeches. So Kong Thong is a household name. So my relationship is with Kong Thong, not as a member of parliament, but as a social activist, and it will end only after my death. Second thing is the school. After public toilets, my next objective is schools. Whether government gives money or does not give money, we will not depend on government. We will make one of the best school buildings in Meghalaya, in Shillong. If any child comes from Shillong, he or she should ask their parents, his parents, why not I am admitted to such a good school? So school buildings would be one of the best buildings in Meghalaya. That there should be a food processing industry in Kong Thong. This means not only for Kong Thong, all 12 villagers would be benefited. So there should be road connectivity in all 12 villages. Without road connectivity, there cannot be development. It takes 3 hours, 4 hours to reach one place to other place. Our brilliant children, I hope in future, a child born in Kong Thong and nearby villages would top in the Union Public Service Commission examination. We have to prepare our children that our children should also be part of the Union Public Service Commission examinations. He or she should become IAS and IPS. Our local person should also become MLA and MP. So political empowerment and political consciousness is my fourth target.